Hey beauties, happy Tuesday. Welcome back to my channel. Today's look is something very summery and sunny, inspired by the sunshine and sunflowers and everything that's bright and fun about the summertime. I prepped with Tarte Mermaid Skin Serum, then primed with Tarte Base Tape. I applied Makeup Forever HD Liquid Foundation using a Revive Beauty Blender. Always be sure to really blend that out and blend down the neck. I applied Tarte Shape Tape Concealer under my eyes as well as to my nose, my forehead, and any spots that could use a little more coverage. Next, I blend that out using my Revive blender. Next, I set this with my Makeup Revolution Translucent Setting Powder. I set this under my eyes first using a concealer brush, then I do the same to my nose. Using a fluffy brush, I set the rest. Next, I apply NYX HD Eye Primer, and I blend that out using my ring finger, which is the lightest touch and safest for your eyes. I apply my NYX Milk Crayon to my entire eyelid using a flat brush. For this eye look, I used the M.A.C Jeremy Scott palette. I started by applying the color Disco Therapy, this orange color, using a crease brush, and I applied that to my crease. I applied the same color to my lower lash line on the outer corners as well. Next, I applied my Flexitarian Colorpop highlighter to my inner corners as well as my entire lid. Next, I used the color Memories of Space, which is this yellow color, on a flat brush, and I applied that to my outer lid and I worked it in towards the mid lid. I went back in with Disco Therapy on a small brush to clean up the line as well as intensify the crease. I went back in with Memories of Space on a flat brush and intensified that yellow color, and then after that I applied it to my under eyes using a small brush, and I just applied that to the middle of my under eye. Next, I applied Lo-Fi, this nude color, using a fluffy brush to my eyebrow bone, and I also used that to blend out the line between my brow bone and my crease. Next, I applied my Lorac Front of the Line Pro Liquid Eyeliner. Then I groomed my brows with my Focus and Fix Makeup Revolution Brow Kit. Using a fluffy brush, I dusted away any fallout and excess powder. I used my Too Faced Cocoa Contour, the medium shade, and a flat brush to contour my cheekbones as well as my jawline. I went in with a fluffier contour brush to add some color to my forehead as well as blend out my cheeks. Then I applied my Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the color Paaarty. Next, I highlighted with Melanie Mills Gleam Radiant Dust in light gold, and I used a fan brush to apply that to my cheekbones as well as my nose, my cupid's bow, and underneath my lips. I set this with NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Next, I curl my lashes using my Mercier Artist Eyelash Curler. I was fortunate enough for Influenster to have gifted me this, and I totally love it. I can see a huge difference between my lashes when they're not curled and when I do curl them with this curler. Then I apply my Mercier Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara. Sis, I'm about to spill the tea. This is one of my favorite mascaras I've ever used. It really builds volume and truly flares your lashes. Next, I line and fill in my lips using the Jordana Rock and Rose Lip Liner. Then I applied NYX Butter Lipstick in the color Candy Buttons. And I topped it all off with my Victoria's Secret Metallic Glow Lip Gloss. And that's it for my summer glow look. I wanted to take a moment to say thank you so much to Influenster. I received my first box this week. Influenster is a company that connects brands with influencers and anyone who's into beauty really to try out the products and then give feedback to the companies so then they know what you guys think. I would highly recommend joining Influenster. It's completely free and it's so much fun. I love reading other people's reviews and leaving my own and just connecting with other beauty lovers. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you did enjoy this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and tap that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. If you guys love beauty as much as I do, join Influenster, and if you do, follow me on Influenster. I will put my profile in the description box below.